Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning. Woke up to a very rainy day. Even though we need the rain, I'm not really tripping about the weather. I'm just happy to be alive. Thank you, God, for waking me up this morning. Nothing like the rain to soothe the pain and the stuff that you're going through. Rain is very soothing for the mind. Relax and let it all go. Yes, rain is very soothing for the mind. Relax and let it go. Anyway, today is Sunday. Keep thriving. Keep away from negativity. And have a great day.